Hi there, students. A slacker. A slacker. This is an informal phrase to talk about somebody who doesn't work hard enough, somebody who's always avoiding work. Very often we use this as a joke as well. How are you doing, you old slacker? Okay, let's see. Slack. Something can be tight, yeah, where you're maybe the idea is you're working harder. It can be slack. It can hang down. It's not tight. So a slacker, somebody who just doesn't pull their weight, somebody who shirks as much as they can. They don't work hard. So yeah, my dad says my sister's boyfriend is a slacker. Yeah, he doesn't put enough effort into it. Okay, so my boss thinks that if I take time to eat lunch, I'm just being a slacker. I'm slacking off. I'm slacking, to slack in this way, not to work hard. Okay, so to avoid effort, to avoid hard work. Yeah, it's the slackers who let down the team. Yeah, they're idle. They dodge work. Okay, a person who avoids their obligation. I think this phrase particularly is used for military service, avoiding military service in time of war. Yeah, so they say that if you don't go and join the war effort, you're a slacker. But a slacker, somebody, particularly a young person who seems to be disaffected. They don't really care. They're apathetic. They're cynical. They don't have any ambition. They just let things go as they be because, well, they're entitled. They're entitled to this. Okay, so a slacker, somebody who's lazy, who does less work than you think they should. They're a loafer. They're always skiving or shirking. She's not a slacker. She's one of the best workers on the team. If you've ever worked with a group of people, you'll know exactly who the slackers are. Yeah, a slacker, somebody who doesn't really have a sense of direction in life, an underachiever. They don't really have any ambition. Okay, so being a slacker. Okay, this is the idea of people who don't have a proper work ethic. Yeah, they avoid doing hard work. It's like they're afraid of a bit of hard work. They're shirking responsibility. I think this originated from evading military service, a draft dodger. Maybe we live in a culture of slackers nowadays. But a slacker, a layabout, yeah, an idler, a do-nothing, a dodger. Okay, so let's see. The origin of this slacker, I think it comes from the during the First World War, the United States. Slackers were people who are not participating in the war effort, either trying to avoid the draft or just not do work, not put in their part of work, their share of work. But I think nowadays slacker is somebody who's lazy, somebody who doesn't have a work ethic. So come on, stop being such a slacker and put your back into it. Put a bit of effort into it. Okay, I don't want any slackers in this team. In a class, you'll find there's some students who are really keen on learning and really keen on progressing, and there are one or two slackers who they never do their homework. Yeah, they're late for class. Sometimes they don't turn up. That's a slacker. Okay, so formality. This is informal. Slacker 3.5 informality. Use informally. just about in a semi-formal conversation, but certainly no more. And then as to origin, slack, it's something that the part of something that hangs loose, that it doesn't have any strain, it doesn't have any pull. From Old English, slack, Proto-Germanic slack as. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. If you're watching my videos, clearly you're not a slacker when it comes to English.